Welcome everyone on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came from. If you are new to the channel, don't give up a subscription so we can continue quickly. If you are already a subscriber, and you already know that this video will bring you value, give a quick like here too, so you don't waste time at the end. This will be a short video that wants to draw your attention to a new phenomenon that needs to be carefully studied. This phenomenon is called Metaverse, and I will explain more immediately, so stay tuned. In short, the Metaverse is a parallel, virtual universe. Imagine what it would mean to be able to get anywhere instantly. Such as being able to go to the office meeting, without wasting time in traffic, without wasting time preparing. You simply connect to Metaverse and instantly teleport to where you are. You can do all this in your pajamas, in your bedroom. We can save all the hours spent in traffic and all the money spent on traveling using this Metaverse. You create or buy an avatar that you can send anywhere, and that is always ready for anything. Stop for a moment and think about what it would mean to connect to Metaverse and instantly teleport to a beach in Dubai. You can do that for $10 before you go on a real vacation. Research the area and see what is really worth visiting. See which are really the best places to stay. All this with a pair of virtual glasses that can take you there instantly. Imagine what it will be like when we can connect more senses to this avatar, not just sight. Feel the sea breeze, feel the waves on your feet, and hear everything around you. To feel the tastes or the pain. To feel a caress or a touch. Think what a blessing this will be for sick people who can no longer do this physically, or for the very old. Our world, as we know it, is about to move to the next level, and it is your duty to be prepared and understand it. Jobs as you know them will disappear very soon. We will no longer need drivers, because the cars start driving on their own. We will no longer need sellers because more and more stores are migrating to automation. Everything that means physical work will disappear very soon. There is no need to dig a pit by hand, a robot will do it. The goods will be transported by autonomous cars, loaded and unloaded by robots. The factories will no longer need the classic workers, only a few people to program and control the robots, and this work will also be done remotely. Grain farms will be worked exclusively from a distance, by autonomous equipment, controlled by a man from home. So are animal farms and many other industries. The construction industry will also be handed over to robots. This year the first house was made, with a huge 3D printer. Everything lasted only 24 hours, and the process is much cheaper than if it were done with workers. Just as you guessed, this evolution comes with many collateral victims. It's great when you think that you can physically work for any company in the world, no matter where you live, without going there. But it is also a negative part of this change. Millions of people will remain irrelevant, will no longer have work, and will have no utility on the planet. These will be the collateral victims, and they will not be few. There is more and more talk of a guaranteed minimum income worldwide. Robots and artificial intelligence will work for us. People who will no longer be useful will receive a ration of food and clothes to exist or to subsist, but in no case to prosper. You still have time to educate yourself and stay useful for the planet. You still have enough time to become a prosperous person and take advantage of this change, not to destroy yourself. The world will be divided into two very different societies. One of poverty and people who are useless, from which it will be very difficult to get out, and one of innovative and creative people who will always prosper and create value around them. All of this is not just a story. There are many large companies working on such projects. Many billions of dollars are being invested in Metaverse. One of the creators of the Metaverse is Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of Facebook. I leave a link in the description if you want to see his plans in connection with Metaverse. Facebook is a huge company with unlimited capital that once launched towards a goal, has all the tools necessary to get there. That's about it for today. It's up to you to discover more. Our job is just to bring the important topics to your attention. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so as not to miss the following videos. Give a like if you haven't succeeded yet, and send this video to your friends, because we want tomorrow to be bigger than today.